A tailor had a piece of cloth. He cut 3 smaller pieces of cloth, each 1 by 4 meter from it. If he had left with 7 1 upon 4 meter of cloth, then find the total length of the cloth which the tailor had. See, this is the total length of the cloth which he is having. Now he has cut 3 pieces of 1 by 4. So 3 multiplied by 1 by 4, that is 3 upon 4. Now what? He has been left with 7 1 upon 4 meters of cloth. Now this is a mixed fraction. Convert it into simple fraction. 7 4 are 28 plus 1 29. 29 upon 4. Kindly check the same mixed and simple fractions in my earlier videos. So 29 upon 4 is what he is left with. Now he has used 3 upon 4 and he is left with 29 upon 4. So what will be the total length of the cloth? 3 upon 4 plus 29 upon 4. So add this. So denominator is common. So what happens? 3 plus 29 upon 4, that is 32 upon 4, that is equals to 8 meters. So total length is 8 meters of cloth which he has. So